Hello, welcome to the studio. I'm Silver, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I carve my stamps. This is just from a really nice kit off of Amazon. Just a bunch of pieces of the blank stamp rubber. I decided to go with mushrooms just for this because it was really easy to do some mix and match pieces just to showcase. Here I am drawing the two stems, one with ruffles, one without, and then I drew two caps to go with them so that there were several possible combinations when putting all the stamps together. For my designs, I always just sketched out with pencil because even if it's a little difficult to erase, it puts the lines onto the rubber just fine. With everything sketched, it's time to move on to the cutting. I got just a very simple V-shaped channel. This one was bought for wood carving, but as you can see, it cuts the rubber just fine. And I'm going in. I personally like to carve so that the image is just what I have drawn, not the negative of what I've drawn. So here I am outlining everything to just give the lines that I drew in pencil. I used a bunch of small, shallow cuts to give the texturing along the stem for this portion of the mushroom. I do the same thing with the gills on the underside of the mushroom cap for the first of the caps that I outline. Here is where I decided that I would rather have everything cut out separately from each other instead of just one big block to finish everything off. I used just this time a straight edge wood carving tool. As you can see, it doesn't cut quite as easily as the channel does for the rubber, and I couldn't find my X-Acto knife, so this is just what I was stuck with. I decided to start cutting around the edges of the mushroom cap here, just to get it a little closer so that it was easier in the future for me to see where I was putting my stamps down onto the paper. I tried using this C-shaped channel to cut out the circles in this mushroom cap. It did not go incredibly well, so even though you see me pushing here trying to get it to work, I did switch back to the V-shaped cutter. Here I'm just cutting the rubber for the stem stamps down a little more so that I can see where I'm placing them. And now we are finished making our stamps. So here I am, just taking the stamps and using them, just to show what we managed to do. I decided to use a different color for each of the pieces that I could see how everything fit together, especially when I put the stems onto the mushrooms. I really like how the caps turned out. They're a little rough, which isn't a bad thing. It gives them a little more texture, lets you know for sure that you made this with your hands. I don't know why I did the stems like that. I should have just done the same stem in each row like I was originally planning to, but oh well, it still looks cute. And this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. Bye-bye!